smooth streaming as such view. You are live. तुमचा मग तिकडे बघ आपला चांगला. Is it audible? Visible to all? Is testing? Is it audible? Hello. Hello. हाँ. बरोबर. आपली मेसेज बघत नाही का? आणि तू काय कर ऑनलाईन राहणार काय कर तुम्हाला वाटतं की तू ऑनलाईन राहा पूर्ण लेक्चर पण आहे का आणि काही आणि स्क्रीन का बरोबर मला काय बरोबर नाही. हां ठीक ठीक. मग आता काय करायचं? हॅलो. हां माझी जाऊ येतो आणि मी हेडफोन लावतो का आपण मोबाईल लावतो तुझे हेडफोन बाकी बाजूला एक मिनिट मी बघते. हो 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 ठीक ठीक हो. ठीक ठीक हो. आणि ते सुरू आता फोन करतो काय फोन करा. बाहेर शीतल आता काय दिसतंय ऑनलाईन लाईव्ह हा फोन राहू दे सायलेंट कर आवाज बंद कर दो, आवाज बंद कर दो, आवाज बंद कर दो, म्यूट कर, चलो म्यूट कर। हेलो हेलो, good morning to all. Just I am checking quality. Is there, you are getting proper voice? Am I audible? Please drop your comment in the comment section, then we can start. Good morning. Good morning to all. Am I audible? Riyaj, am I audible? Good morning, one and all. Very heartily welcome to each and everyone. From my bottom of heart, I'm welcoming each and everyone. First of all, I would like to thanks to all of you for your huge and overwhelming response. Till now, we got near about 500 registration throughout the world. Out near about 50 plus participants are participating from out of India. It is very good, nice to see the many people are very enthusiastic and interesting to learn new technique. As we all are in very critical situation, the whole world is suffering pandemic situation, Corona-19. We all are in our home spending valuable time. In such a situation, I thought, suppose we have a knowledge about GIS, then why should not share that knowledge to all? Before going to start our actual session, I would like to thank some important persons. Without their support, their guidance, it was just difficult to conduct this session. First, I would like to thank Honorable Vice Chancellor Savitribai Phule, Pune University, who always guiding us and letting us for the new things. Few days back only, we have received notification from the university to work on the distance mode. I would like to thank Head of the Department, Professor Ravindraji Jayabhai, for his kind support and kind guidance. I would like to extend my thanks to course coordinator of Geoinformatics in Department of Geography, Savitribai Phule Pune University, Professor Sudhakar Pardesi. He is also very helpful and he is also playing very supportive role in this program. And last but not least, I would like to thank my friend Dr. Ganesh Madhe. Behind this program, all technical things he is only handling. Without his support, it is very difficult to run this program smoothly. And I would like to extend my sincere thanks to Department of Geography, all faculties and my colleagues who are always playing a supportive role for this kind of program. Now we are moving towards our actual technical theoretical things, then we will move ahead. Before that, I would like to request you, please mention in the comment box you are getting my proper voice and video. Please mention in the comment, are you getting proper voice and audio and video, both the things. Okay, I hope you are getting me properly. Here we are going to start our first lecture on online 1 week open source GIS, that is QGIS. This is our first lecture, and rightly many people are participating through distance mode. Okay, this is our today's agenda. There are some important points in that. The first we'll see introduction to GIS. Then afterwards we'll move towards difference between open source and commercial packages, GIS packages. What is exactly difference between that? Means what is open source software and what is commercial softwares. We'll discuss on that. After that, we'll move why open source software is useful, why it is playing important role. And after that, we'll go to how to download QGIS and how to install these software packages. First of all, I would like to inform all of you, here we are getting near about 500 plus participants throughout the world. In such a case, if you see the background of the all participants is very varied. Means we have a participant from degree, we have a participant from post-graduation, there are some faculties in our program, and some people might be they are working advanced level of the GIS. If you see participants from block level to participants from different countries, their background is also vary. Some people they have a well knowledge about GIS, but many people are very in beginning stage. And I have received some messages, I have received some mails in that some people are requested, sir, please go from the beginning. Might be some people feel this is very beginning stage, but my request is that this first week will spend at the beginning of the QGIS. After completion of these things, we'll switch in the advanced stage. Suppose people are interested, then from the beginning we'll start. What is the GIS? We'll not spend much time on the GIS because I feel that I assume that you already knows about the basic of the GIS, what is actual GIS. We'll have some little discussion, then we'll move next. Okay. First, I would like to brief about the GIS. What is actually GIS? In simple terms, in simple words, we can say it is a geographical information system. Just I am checking either you are getting properly or not. Okay, I will discuss about the brief about the introduction to GIS. In introduction to GIS, what is actual GIS? Means suppose we'll go through some different books, different things, then we'll get some definition about the GIS. We'll find out the different definition, different explanation about the GIS. But here I will go very in simple terms, very in simple words, try to explain GIS. Here I am not going to in bookish things what is GIS. My concern is that to explain in simple terms what is GIS. Suppose you understood what is GIS, then it is easy to explain your knowledge up to your capacity. Then what is GIS? GIS is a geographical information system. Okay, this is full form. It is a geographic information system. What is that? That is, GIS is a computer based system. It is computer based system. Without computer we cannot do anything. It is 100% computer based system. Okay, then what is it doing? GIS is capturing, or we can say collecting information. It is storing the information. It is manipulating the information. After that it is analyzing that information, and it will store and it will display in spatial and geographic data. Okay, in simple terms we can say GIS is a computer based system which is collecting, storing, analyzing, manipulating and displaying geographic or spatial data. That is the geographic information system. Okay, in detail, suppose you want to go in detail, there will be many things to learn in the GIS, but on this stage we are not going to discuss in detail, but we'll just touch, and our main concern is that we have to focus on quantum GIS, QGIS, open source GIS, but it is required to have some brief discussion about GIS, basic GIS. That's why I was discussing the things. Okay, now here we are going to discuss the next things. What is the difference between open source GIS and commercial GIS packages? Okay, we should know about that. What is basic difference that? Because in today's lecture we are going to throughout the program we are going to see open source GIS. Then many people they were asking, is that same one which we are using in a commercial sector? No, it is totally different. Open source platform is totally different than the commercial GIS packages. Then what is exactly difference between that open source and commercial GIS packages? Here we have two things. Okay, one is the open source and another one is the commercial GIS packages. The first basic difference is that open source softwares are freely available. There is no need to pay a single rupee to anyone. That is the open source software. And what is the commercial? In the commercial we have to pay some amount to the company or that producer, and we have to buy that package, and with the permission of that particular respective company or authority, we have to run that package or that program. That is the basic difference. What is another difference? The open source software we can download directly from website, or we can share by our colleague, by our friends, or anyone. We can share that one. There will be no any illegal things in that. Everything is legal. We can share that software, we can download that one, we can install also, and we can produce a result also, and we can publish that result after completion of all the process in open source. And on the other hand, what is about the commercial GIS packages? In the commercial GIS packages, we have to purchase that one, some particular license copies. Without that permission or without that license, we cannot install that software. Okay, we cannot install that software. We have to take permission. And suppose we purchase a specific number of copies, 5 copies, 10 copies, 30 copies, or any other number. We have to install that numbers only. Suppose we use some cracked version. Nowadays you people are very much aware about that. What is the cracked version? Suppose we use that one, that particular company or particular authority, they can file a case against us. Okay, then it is very risky task to use commercial GIS packages without their consent. Okay, these are the basic difference about the open source packages and commercial packages. Then can we share some, can we discuss some name of the open source and commercial GIS packages? Yes, of course, we should know which one are the open source and which one are the commercial GIS packages. First of all, we'll discuss about the open source GIS packages. Rightly, the same one which we are going to use, that is the QGIS, means quantum GIS. That is one of the example open source. After that, can you name another one? Yes, of course, Ilvis is there in the open source. Grass is there in the open source. Likewise, many other platforms are available we can use in an open source packages. Now, can we name some commercial GIS packages? Yes, of course. Now, a very popular software, that is the ArcGIS. It is the 100% commercial packages. Suppose we have to use that package, then we have to pay some amount, and after that we are able to work on that. Then ERDAS is also one of commercial package. This is also very good one. Then now we have understood what is the, first of all we understood what is the GIS. After that we discuss about the open source GIS. After that we went through what is the difference between open source platform and commercial platform. Okay, now we'll move next one. Why open source? Okay, why open source? After listening all this my discussion, might be you had some little bit picture about the softwares. Then why it is important? What is the use? Now we all know what is the use, but why we have to use open source? I will give you very simple example. Suppose now I am working in our Department of Geography, Savitribai Phule, Pune University. I am teaching some of my students. After completion of their degree, they want to start their startup. Okay, they want to start their new business in the field of GIS. We all of you know, in the beginning stage, all people, they are not having enough capital with them. Okay, and suppose the person who wants to start their startup, then for them they have to invest huge amount of money. Suppose we gone through the commercial packages, the price of that commercial packages is in lakh. New people, new person that is not that much capable, economically capable to purchase that one. In that situation, that person, he or she can easily use open source platform. They can start their startup with minimum amount of capital. They can start their startup. They can use the available platforms. They can produce their result and they can publish it. It's very interesting and really admirable. Means in free of cost we are getting that much big huge platform to work on GIS. This is the benefit of open source. Now here also our department intention, our HOD's intention and our course coordinators intention is that to discuss this technology to many people. Many people should learn the GIS and they can use the GIS technology for their development. Before going to see how to download this software, from where we can download this software, we'll have a little bit discussion about the use of these packages, where we can use this one. Absolutely, we can use anywhere where we are working related to Earth. Means rightly in our program, I told you near about 500 plus participants are participating throughout the world. Their background is very different. Means some people having background from geography, geology, environment science, engineering, civil engineering, after that architecture, agriculture, soil specialist, demographer. Many people are participating in the program. Surely we can use this technology in each and every field. Some of my friends from economics background, they are also participating in this program. Some of my friends, they are from population demography background, they are also participating in this program. 100% we can use this technology in their respective field. Okay, I hope we have understood little theoretical background of our program. Theoretical background is very important for the understanding what actually we are going to do for the next some classes. Okay. Now here, I think now you are ready to download the QGIS setup and for the installation. Yesterday only I have told you in our Telegram channel you have to ready with internet and laptop. For this session, means for this program, you must have laptop with internet connection. Might be from tomorrow there will be not that much use of internet, but in today's session we must require internet because we have to download the setup, and with that setup only we have to work on our quantum GIS. Without that setup, we cannot do anything. That's why in the beginning only I have told you, you just ready with laptop and internet. Okay, suppose you don't have your own setup, then it is very difficult. Might be you will understand, but without practice it is very difficult to remember the steps. That's why already I told you must ready with the internet and laptop. Many people haven't subscribed YouTube channel and Telegram channel. It is my humble request, kindly subscribe both the channels, YouTube also and Telegram also. Then it is easy and accessible to share our views. Okay, now I am moving towards the how to download GIS setup. Okay, now here we are on home page of the Google. Now here we have to see how to download the quantum GIS setup and how to install the respective setup. Okay, is it going smoothly or is there any problem? If you feel any problem at any time, please feel free to share your views. On my next screen, your comments are also there. I am just going through that. Many people are communicating. They are saying good morning to all. But I am expecting either I am delivering speech properly and it is you are receiving audio and video properly. Please mention in that comment box. Okay, shall I proceed? Okay, okay, it is correct only. Now we are on Google home page. On the home page of Google, we have to write QGIS and enter. Okay, when you will drop that QGIS, then some links will be appear there on your screen. The first link, that is the welcome to QGIS project. Okay, you can scroll down also for the checking either we are receiving some different links on that or not. Okay, okay, I am receiving your comments on comment box. It is going very smoothly. Thank you, thank you. Okay, when will write their QGIS, the first link, that is the welcome to the QGIS project. Just click over there Okay, when you will click there, at that time you will go on home page of the QGIS. Okay, on the home page of the QGIS there is one line, a free and open source geographic information system. Okay, means it is a freely and it is open to all. Likewise our presentation. Here you can see QGIS is a team effort, support our community events and different things. Okay, you go down and the down there are two options. The first one, that is the download now, and another one is the support QGIS. See, after clicking here you can download the setup of the QGIS and here support QGIS. In the beginning only I have told you this is the freely and openly available platform. We can download it, we can use it, we can produce the result and we can publish it. That is 100% legal. Okay, but you all of you know, whenever we are doing any kind of activity, obviously we require some financial support. Without financial support we cannot do anything. Okay, means suppose now also here I am delivering this lecture, but I told you my friend Dr. Ganesh Made, he behind me, he is working there, his efforts is there, he is always giving me support. Because of that only I am able to communicate with you. Okay, the same way there are thousands of people, they are working behind this work or this project. We have to always respect them, and suppose you have to donate some to this activity or support this activity, you can support by clicking here support QGIS. See, they mention here donate now. Okay, here we are not going to see this one. You can explore, you can go there, you can just check the link, what is actually there, how that work is going on, how people are participating there. I want to just share one important thing is that throughout the world many people are working on QGIS, and every year there is the gathering of the QGIS users. They are organizing different conferences, seminar, and people do participate in that. Now you are also part of QGIS team. It is my, you can say, advice also or request also. You just check out the whole link. You will get many more things through that. Okay. Now here we have to click on download now. Okay. When we'll click on download now, that time setup. Okay, now it's successfully connecting. The setup, you will be ready with that setup. This window. Now here we have many more things through that. Okay, now here we have to click on download now. Many more things through that. Okay, here we have to click on download now. Many more things through that. Okay, here we have to click on download now. And I really apologize because of some technical issue. That video was stopped. We were not able to communicate with the audience. We humbly apologize for that. Now that installation process is still going on. We are just checking on which level it is. Okay, that is on going on process. Within short period of time it will stop and you will get installed ArcGIS with you. If you have any doubt, any question, by that time you can ask on any more YouTube things through that. Okay, here we have to click on download now. And I really apologize because of some technical issue. That video was stopped. We were not communicate with the audience. We humbly apologize for that. Now check process is still going on. We are just checking on which level it is. Okay, that is on going on process. Within short period of time it will stop and you will get installed ArcGIS with you. Technical issue. That video was stopped. We were not communicate with the audience. We humbly apologize for that. Check process is still going on. We are just checking on which level it is. Okay, that is on process. Within short period of time. It is taking too much time. Already I have told you, it depends on your system configuration. It will take time. Technical issue. That video was stopped. We were not communicate with the audience. We humbly apologize for that. Check process is still going on. We are just checking on level it is. Okay, that is on process. Within short period of time. Okay, in our today's Okay. Time. In our today's discussion, we went through the techniques. That video was stopped. We were not communicate with the audience. We humbly apologize for that. This process is still going on. We are just checking on level it is okay. That is on what is QGIS with GIS. Still that downloading process is going on. After that time we can have just discussion. We'll have the queries. Some friends are asking some queries. Students have discussion on that. Okay. And giving the answers to all here. Some participants they are asking about time. In our today's discussion through the some techniques, that video was stopped. We were not communicated with the audience. I humbly apologize for that. You are downloading the process is still going on. We are just checking on level it is okay. That is on GIS download. Still I will process never gone. Instead of downloading, we can have just information. We'll have the queries. Some friends are asking some queries. How discussion and checking out the questions. Yes. Okay. Telegram channel is going on. It is working properly. I'm giving the participants is all answers to all. Join that Telegram. Some participants they are asking. Suppose you have any about time, and you just click on that. Next discussion through the some techniques. That video was stopped. We were not communicated with the audience. I humbly apologize for that. You are downloading the process is on level it is okay. That is on GIS download. Still I will know this never gone. Instead of downloading, we can have just information. We'll have the queries. Some friends are regarding download 64 bit or 32 bit. Here I will recommend. Already I have told you. Okay. Just check out. Telegram channel is going on. Is working properly. And here you have participants screen. So I answers to all join the Telegram. Some participants they are asking. You can find out which system you are using, either 64 bit or 32. Suppose you have any about 16 and you just click on setup. Next discussion through the some techniques was stopped. We were not communicated with the audience. I humbly apologize for that. You are downloading the on level it is okay. That is on GIS. Instead of downloading, we can have just information. We'll have the queries. Some friends are 62 here what is recommend already I have told you. Okay. Our Telegram channel is going on. Is working properly. Participants screen. So I am answer to all join the Telegram. Some participants they are asking. You can can find out which 64 bit or 32. Suppose we have about 59. You can just click setup in the discussion the technique. So let's stop communicating with the audience. I humbly candidate for that. You are downloading on level. It is okay. That is on QGIS. Just information will have the queries. Okay. Telegram channel is going on, working for you can find out which 64 bit or 32. Suppose you just click in the discussion the technique. So let's stop communicating with the audience. For that, why we are using open source, how to download QGIS, how to install QGIS. In tomorrow's lecture, we are going to see the next thing. What is the on level? It is okay. On anytime and WhatsApp, you just comment queries.